So this is the customer's Midland 48XL from probably around about 1999. This is the early version, and it's PR2797, not to be confused with the multi. This is a FM only set for both the UK and the CPT set of channels. The meter doesn't work on it, and the customer is going to use the set mobile. He's not bothered about the meter, so we don't need to order a replacement for an arm and a leg from Italy. So the radio has been serviced. It came in doing 3.2 watts and now doing 3.9 watts. Slightly off frequency, and the receivers come down from 0.98 microvolts for 12 decibel sound now to 0.49 microvolts. So some nice improvements. Hopefully Mr. Chippie's out there, and we'll see how it performs over our 6-mile difficult terrain for radio test. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, testing the customer's Midland 48XL.
Do that.
Now this radio has this ESP or whatever it is, NK, noise killer, whatever, and when I turn the squelch down, does change things. So I think we'll activate that.
Coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. There's going to be I'm going to ask you to talk to me a second time when we get to Scratchy Corner, because I'm going to activate the noise killer on this set and just see if it makes any difference, and we'll do the same at Grayley's. Over.
Roger that.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now going over the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner Wilsford. The radio's doing 3.9 watts. I'm now going to switch in the noise killer.
Right, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now past Scratchy Corner.
Roger, it actually improves the way the radio receives. Thank you.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Grayley turn. Over.
Roger, I'm going to ask you to talk to me again, and I'm switching off the noise killer now. Over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
On.
Now past the turn.
Off, that's excellent, thank you.
Roger that.
It actually works, doesn't it? It really makes a difference.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rawsby Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rosby Level Crossing. I can't even speak, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Oh, well, it's not often I find these kind of features actually work. Was it the Midland 98 seemed to have some kind of noise cruncher thing, and it seemed to make it worse, but that one works really nicely. So we'll just go through to our base station. Although that's our microphone, it is the correct microphone.
PR2791, testing the customer's Midland 48 Excel. This is the early PR2797 model, not the later multi one, using factory original microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you for watching.